checkpoint 8.3.1 show the output. So here as you can see, this is two-dimensional array. Okay, that means we normally have two for loops. Okay, the first one we saying here, initial value, okay, I depends on size of array minus 1. So this case we are looking at the number of rows. So let me put it easy way. Okay, we have 3 rows. Okay, so 3 rows minus 1. So this index 0 and then 1 and 2. So minus 1 we are referring to this row, and then I greater than or equal to 0, and then my I minus minus. So we start from here. Here, when it reaches to equal to 0, we stop. Okay, so we can see we are processing rows reverse order. Okay, I equal to 3 and 2 and 1 and stop. Okay, within each row we are doing this. So again, it seems like a reverse order. J, okay, size depends on I minus 1. So we know that here for when I is equal to 3 are 2, we are talking about 2 size and then minus 1. So we start with the J index 1 and then 0. Okay, we stop here one at a time. Then what we really like to do is here we are printing I and J. So first time when I is 3 minus 1, so 2. Okay, let's say a array, and then J is the size minus 1, 2 size minus 1, so we are looking at the index 1. Basically we print these elements, which is going to be 6 and then decrease by 1, so we are looking at I should put it here. Row is the same here, so we print 5. Okay, then we introduce a new line. So actually this one will be printed next to each other because it's print. So we print with the one space. Okay, let me remove, and then decrease by minus 1. Okay, for the row. So we are processing this after introducing first line. Okay, I mean the new line. So here let me use the one. We are going to do same style, but this time the row decreased by 1, so we are looking at 1. So print 4 and 3 and introduce new line. Okay, then decrease the row by 1, I minus minus. So we are printing and 2 and 1, and then we exit because I is going to be it's 0. Okay, that means we finish. So basically print reverse order 6, 5, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. That will be output. Okay, 6, 5, 4 and 3, 2, 1. Okay. So this question is about how to process the two-dimensional array in reverse order. That's all. Thank you.